Lolo Peach and Lalang Eve's birthday. Dito sila pakanta kay Gors na. And baby Rox is sleeping.
Look, oh my God.
Yes. Birthday celebration of Peach and Eva. Gusto kong namos dyan dere oh. Ang yang gi-greet si mama. Birthday ka na ni. Siguro man siya. Wala na dayo na nga. Shy type ba ng mga birthday celebrants?
Happy birthday to you. We will sing you a song. A happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, we will sing you a song. Happy birthday, enjoy your day at Peach's Cafe. La 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 la
Papa, can I get your bowl?
Wait, blow siya.